guys, thanks again for joining me on All About Paint DIY. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favourite products in the Monster range, and that's our Patch It product. And this is a unique product. Those of you that may have used those bulk type products, those resin products where you've got to mix two parts together and they've got heavy odours to patch up old timber, etc. This is our alternative, and this product is quite unique because it's a powder. You just add water to it, you mix it up to a paste, and with a spatula you just trowel it onto the surface. You can use it to bog up small holes, or you can use it to replace lost mass like lost timber or even concrete or brickwork that's been damaged. And the unique thing about this product, unlike those resin products, this can bond to a damp surface. It can even stay underwater when it's dried, so you could even use it in a fish pond or a tank if you wanted to, and it's totally safe. But you can paint over it, you can tile over it, you can wallpaper over it, you can sand it, you can saw it, you can screw through it, you can nail through it. There are endless applications with this product, but what I like most about Patch It, it's safe to use, very easy to use, and it's a unique one. And it goes with all our other products. You can use it on its own, or you can finish over with the Monster Paint range. But as you'll see now, watch how we've used this product to make these surfaces improved. Fairly simple, as you saw. It's a powder, add water, stir and apply. Doesn't get much simpler than that. If you'd like to know more, get onto monstershop.com. You can order it and have it delivered to your home, 1 kilo, 4 kilo. When this product dries, it's super strong, gives you full strength, and then it allows you to finish over it how you want. If you've got any questions, let us know on Monster Crew, drop us a line. I can't wait to see your shots on how you've used Patch It to patch it. I'll see you next time.